My name is Dominic. I'm about like 1 month into Heroic. I started watching some of Brian's content and got a lot of positive energy from that. Being able to come here and see the soul force that Brian has, and not just him, everybody in that room, and how open everybody was to be able to talk about what they're aiming at, really helped me understand that the most important thing for me to do is to identify what that aim is. And I love the piece of identity leading feelings rather than feelings leaving identity. If I am a certain type of person, then I will feel the way that person feels rather than I feel like this, so I'm not going to be the person that I strive to be. And then the other resounding message for me was just the commitment piece of I do what I say I'm gonna do is just so important to help close the gap. And it was just these are things that I kind of basically understood, but I wouldn't have actually really absorbed. The other thing here is and this is what I can really get from being in the room, is that people are just so bought in. To see that means that something must be working right. And so if anybody's on the fence, I would say buy the ticket immediately. I can't believe how affordable this was for the value that I got out. And then the second piece is, if you do it, really do it. Don't just check the boxes.